Ito ko, mas moeilijk voor me. Lay this
Boundary.
boundary of sterke afspraak. This is how it is. And like, you can't budge that. Dus ik wil budget mee. Als je niet mee met de pins, met de kijk door de vinger. Of met de find some kind of leeway. Bijvoorbeeld na plan me in at work. On a day that I can't work. Maar gewoon take a day off bijvoorbeeld. Pero na die personeelstekort. I feel bad for the place. En dan gewoon my work dag. Are you mental?
Yes, you
Get
are.
a grip,
Clearly.
bitch. Are you mental? Are you sick or something?
Why do you have gunshot hands? Like, what are you doing, yo?
You must have the best steps sitting Glock against my head.
Clearly, but that's the only reason I'm gonna
But
work.
so
then.
who would do that? Like, why would I give
No,
money to the
facts.
corporation? And to feel bad with my manager because I'm cool with him.
God, I only lie to corporations. I try not to
Clearly
lie to
he's a
people.
scammer.
Only corporations.
He is a scammer. But I feel bad